Hi friends, thanks for joining us. In today's video, I would like to tell you something about etiquette. Do you know etiquette? Etiquette means the proper way or a behavior we do in our society to make ourselves a socially respectable person in the society. In this series of etiquette, I would like to tell you something about car etiquette. Friends, you go with your family outside in your car or in your set of wheels. So you don't bother about it to make them sit first, and you just sit on the driver's seat and you ask them to sit and you go. But no, this is not a proper etiquette. First of all, you should open the door of your car, make them sit first, make them comfortable first, ask them whether they are comfortable or not, then wait for a while, and then you should start a journey. This, I'm sure, friends, this is a nice gesture to make them feel better. And this is the correct way to respect your co passengers in any journey. So, whenever you go outside with your family from the next time, try to make them sit first, make them comfortable, and then sit on driver's seat and start your journey. I'm sure, friends, you will also feel nice, they will also feel nice. Thanks for watching this video, friends. I hope you have liked this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel to get latest information on English language, and do connect with us to get more information about this language. Thanks a lot, friend. Have a nice day. Bye bye.